Okay student, now we are going to solve question number 6 of exercise 15. The statement of question number 6 is, in the triangle ABC as shown in the figure, find the value of x in the figure. As you see in this figure, we have two right angle triangles. So in first triangle, which is ADC, so we will write in triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, angle measurement of ADC, angle D is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by using the Pythagoras theorem, is equal to AD is the perpendicular side of a right angle triangle and 13 is the hypotenuse, because it is opposite to the 90 degree angle. So this side AC is called the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse whole square minus, and CD is the base of a triangle, right angle triangle. So we will have 5 square. So side AD square is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. So by simplifying, we will have AD, measurement of AD whole square is equal to, by putting the value 13 square is equal to 169, and by taking the square of 5, which is equal to 25, by subtracting 169 minus 24, we will have 144. So side of taking square root on both sides, the measurement side of AD is equal to 12 centimeter. Now we have found the value of AD, which is 12 centimeter. Now we are going to use the second right angle triangle, which is ABD. In this, the base is BD. We have to find the x, and the side opposite to the 90 degree is hypotenuse of the triangle. So now in right angle triangle, ABD, angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we will have base square is equal to hypotenuse square minus altitude square. So x square is equal to, by taking the square of 15, which is 225, and by putting the value of minus 180, which is 12, by taking the square, so 225 minus 144, we will have 81. So we have to find the value of x. So by taking square root on both sides, so x is equal to square root of 81 is 9. So the value of x is equal to 9 centimeter.